Welcome to Tech's new tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaws to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episode prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. When the stakes are high and the cave is in jeopardy, setting up a robust support structure with specialized machinery is our best bet. These efforts showcase how ingenuity and preparation can transform a potential disaster into a solvable challenge. Of course, there's no substitute for experience. It's the ultimate teacher when it comes to knowing what to disconnect and how to do it safely. Nothing spices up the day like a bit of mud. Watching the mighty Cat 793F haul its buddy out of a tight spot is both thrilling and inspiring. These colossal machines aren't just about brute force, they're about teamwork and reliability, proving that even giants can lend a helping hand or wheel when the going gets tough. The truck burned fiercely, like a mobile oven cranked to max heat. Passengers scrambled to escape, clearly not volunteering to be the main course. Modern hydraulic excavators are game changers on construction sites. Gone are the days of back-breaking labor and endless sweat. These advanced machines deliver unparalleled smoothness and efficiency. Whether it's digging, lifting, or leveling, hydraulic excavators make every task look effortless, transforming tough jobs into precise, streamlined operations. A snowstorm might bring most to a standstill, but for the Snowcat Jambay, it's just another day on the job. Plowing through icy winds and thick drifts, it shows no signs of stopping until storm number 2 strikes with relentless force. Will the Jambay rise to the challenge, or has it finally met its frosty match? Oh boy, this takes me back. Those John Deere skidders were absolute beasts, powerful, relentless, and let's be honest, a little wild at times. Sure, they got the job done, but sometimes they seem to have a mind of their own. Crazy, right? But hey, that's what made them legendary. This time it's something a bit heavier, a washing machine taking on a daunting task across the entire coastline. Against all odds, this unsung hero deserves our respect and admiration for its relentless effort to get the job done. Sometimes even the toughest missions find the most unexpected champions. Number 2, East Hawthorne Mine, home to the legendary 20,570 watts. Can you even imagine the level of precision required to handle explosives on a machine of such monstrous scale? The sheer thought of orchestrating controlled blasts to manage something so massive leaves everyone in awe. Wow, 2 trucks working together. Now that's teamwork on a whole new level. It's amazing to see such coordination in action, and what a relief that the crane was finally pulled out. Massive kudos to the crew for their persistence and power. Sometimes it really does take 2 to tango, or tow. amazing. Have you ever wondered how the forestry industry thrives even in the harshest conditions? The TD-55 and CAMAS-43118 are the unsung heroes, quietly paving the way and overcoming every challenge. Not flashy, but always effective, they prove that true strength sometimes lies in perseverance and dedication. A small car, its brakes failed, careened straight into the door of a storefront. Thankfully, no one was inside at the time of the incident, sparing any potential injuries. Police arrived shortly after to assess the situation and begin their investigation. A stark reminder of how essential vehicle maintenance is to safety. Can you believe the Komatsu D51 crawler tractor can take down a massive tree without charging forward? Instead, it uses a brilliant strategy, digging around the tree to weaken its roots. Once the roots are sufficiently fragile, the mighty machine finishes the job with precision and control. Who needs brute force when you have smart tactics? The impressive 6-cylinder diesel engine on the Alice Chalmers is a marvel of engineering. It perfectly blends precise craftsmanship with raw, unrelenting power, making it a true icon of industrial excellence. Absolutely incredible. This is a perfect example of how nature can catch you off guard. Those towering giants are more powerful and unpredictable than they seem. For a second, time stood still, heart pounding, breath held. It looked like disaster was inevitable. But in a split second, everything was okay. A stump, standing just over 6 feet tall, didn't stand a chance against this powerhouse. Despite the new river blade being only 60% sharp and encountering rocky ground, the machine maintained its grinding speed and effortlessly powered through the challenge. Its superior performance crushed the stump quickly without missing a beat, proving it's built for even the harshest forestry conditions. Out of nowhere, the horses emerged like shadows, swift and silent. Then, in an awe-inspiring twist, the house collapsed, as if swept away by an unseen broom. Witness the DAF CF-85 in action, a robust machine equipped with an engine that conquers all terrains. Under the guidance of a professional driver, this beast faces ultimate tests of strength and skill. Can you hear it? The thunderous roar of the DT tractor engine signals its readiness to tackle any challenge that comes its way. Take a look at the tractors and the G69 in action. It's an entirely different world. With incredible strength and efficiency, it's hard to imagine anything better suited for handling this rugged terrain. These machines are truly a testament to the excellence of modern engineering. Navigating steep and uneven downhill terrain can be a monumental challenge for any driver. Unfortunately, this truck, burdened with a massive load of timber, succumbed to the difficulty and overturned on the treacherous slope. A heart-wrenching moment unfolds as the driver battles desperately to halt their truck from sliding down the slope.